Hi everyone, today I'm going to show y'all how I did this rose gold smoky eye. For my primer today, I'm using this skin tint by Ilia, which I really love. It's really light and it adds a little extra coverage. And I'm going to lightly apply one of my favorite liquid foundations by YSL on top of the skin tint. This is one of my favorite liquid foundations. It feels almost like skin. It goes on so light, but it covers pretty well. Then I take the Blush and Glow Flawless Pro Blender, tap and blend everything in. I have a lot of concealers I love, and this is definitely in my top 5. So tap your concealer in with a blending brush and then go in with a Flawless Pro Blender and just smooth it all out. So first, set the concealer areas with a lighter color powder by stamping the powder on. A second deeper shaded powder to the outer edges of your face for dimension and warmth. Before contouring, I like to add a little warmth just to the contours of my face with this Bare Minerals powder. It's really light and blends really well. This is my favorite powder concealer palette, and I always go in with the darker shade first, just to make sure that I add all the contouring that I need, and then I'll warm it up and blend it in with a lighter color next. Blend the contour powder in all the way up to your temples, your forehead, your jawline, and your nose. Add the highlight color to the tip and the bridge of your nose. So this is where I go in with the middle color in that contour kit, and I like to just blend the darker contour even more with this. Blush number 1, I'm going to apply this right above the cheek contour. And then blush number 2 is a lighter color, and that's going to be brushed on the apples of the cheeks in a really, really small section. I recently discovered this lip plumper and I absolutely love it. I apply it before I apply any other lip products. So here I'm applying the Anastasia brow powder really lightly. I use the 2 colors in her powder palette just to blend and make the eyebrows look really, really natural. gold just to add more definition. This dip brow gel is so good. It holds my eyebrows in place all day. So the first step in eyeshadow is to apply eye primer. This will help your eyeshadow last longer, and it also evens out the eyelid. Using the Norvian palette, I'm applying the color Incense to the eye crease area. Next, apply Eccentric below the crease area to create an ombre effect. And then I bring Eccentric all the way down to my lower lash line. Now I'm adding more depth with the color Passion from the Norvian palette to the outer corners. Now I'm going to press and slide the color Rose Gold from the palette all over the lid area. And then bring Rose Gold down to the lower inner corner. Add some drama to your eye makeup look with the color Drama to the outer edges. When you tap on your eyeshadows, you get less fallout. And then tap that color onto the bottom lash line as well. Alright, so line the top and bottom lash lines with an eyeliner pencil. I love this color Ninja by Blush and Glow. Then I'm going to darken and thicken the top lash line with a gel eyeliner. Let's wing it out. Start as far out as you want and bring the liner in to the top of your eye. Thicken the liner with really slow, tiny movements. Go as far out and as thick as you prefer, but try and follow the shape of your eye. Add a little bit of liner to the inner corner to make your eyes appear longer. So here I'm tapping on black sand from the Jetsetter palette to add a little bit of smokiness and to also set the eyeliner. Bring the shadow on the bottom up to meet that liner on top. Okay, so touch up the highlighted areas of your face with the highlighting powder from the contour kit. Add the highlighting matte color to the brow bone area. I'm applying a little bit of highlight here to the cheekbones, the nose, and a little bit right above the forehead. There's just no time for lashes lately, and this mascara is really good. I'm adding a little black to the outer edges just for some depth and drama. Nude lip liner goes on all over the lips. And then Buff, this beautiful nude lipstick, goes on last all over the lips. Add some dewiness and set your makeup with a setting spray. And I'm done. I hope you like the look. Please subscribe and follow me on Instagram.